besafile. That is why I said ikhulumeke emlilo wakhe bekasabuki lokufanele ngakubo. When he came into his senses, kwabale kubuka ngaleli ndlela hayi akafanele ibala lokubuka nako sekumsusa lakho lokubuka nako the sense of man sayamtshela ukuthi ngikhulume la angihlali lapho ngikhulume khona ngiyabonga namhla the senses akhe aboya letinto bekade ngitithinta no more angisabuya kuto leke ngisatithinta the senses akhe aboya angafanele ibala. How much I pray your senses are open.
Jesus.
Ngiyacela ukuthi Nkosi Jesu nayimpilo yakho